Digimon. Monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. 7 young kids go to camp for the summer and wind up living in a digital land where everybody gets to meet his own Digimonster, a digital companion, a digital friend. A Digimon in training, where Digivolve's a rookie, a Digivolve's a champion, and ultimate too. I'm gonna save the digital world for me. I'm gonna save the digital world for you. Hey Digimon, monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. The Digiworld is safe in the Digimon's hand. With the rookie can't do, the champion can. The Digimon fights and the Digimon wins. The Digimon is gonna find the strength within. The Digimon is always gonna be your friend. The Digimon is gonna be there till the end. And everybody knows when things go wrong, that's when the Digimon is gonna be strong. Hey Digimon, monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Hey Digimon,
I'm finally doing it! I'm finally drawing it! Tonight we're finally gonna draw Beastmon from Digimon Fusion. The Fusion Fighters first met her at the Lake Zone, and she's basically a Digimon princess for the Lake Zone, protected by Knightmon and the Pawn Chessmon. They were rewarded with the Code Crown.
Shall I play more music related to that?
Alexa, I don't want that now. Beastmon, basically, she spends most of her time taking a cat nap. There's one, well, gentle spirit and a sweetie. So the next segment is going to be about cats. Alexa, what is a leopard?
The leopard is one of the 5 extant species in the genus Panthera, a member of the cat family, Felidae. It occurs in a wide range in sub-Saharan Africa, in some parts of Western and Central Asia, southern Russia, and on the Indian subcontinent to Southeast and East Asia.
Now here's Beastmon's tail.
Taste.
finished. That's how you draw beastmon. Just got this beeline-like instinct. Finally got it completed. And she also had these special digit cards, like Darkdramon on the other hand. Anyhow, it's finally completed. That's how you draw beastmon. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.